In this video, you will learn how to animate Rico character floating in the air, and I'll be using FlipaClip app for this tutorial. So make sure you download FlipaClip from Play Store so that you can follow along with the tutorial. And also please subscribe to this channel and follow this page because I upload new tutorials every week. Okay, now let's continue making the video. Then click on that plus icon to start the animations. Okay, then you have to name your project. So I'm going to name the project Rico Cartoons Animation because that is what we are doing. We are doing animation in the video. Then the next thing, now you have to import your background. So click on that image icon over there in order to import a background. So I use my Rico Cartoons app to design a very simple background. Okay, so it's a mere colored background. So I will click on it in order to add it to the project. So you click on the background and then you will see a good icon at the top. Then click on that good icon in order to import the background. Then the next thing, you have to set up your canvas size. Okay, very important. So because of this video is for YouTube, so I will set it to the first one, which is YouTube 1080p. That is the normal landscape for YouTube. Then you have to go back now. Okay, then let me go back and then now click on create project. Let us start the animation properly. Okay, then the next thing, now you see that red dot at the top. Yes, you need to click on that red dot, very important. Then scroll down and then click on add image so that we can import the character we'll be using for the animation. So the character is also, I got it from my Rico Cartoons app, so I will import the character. Then the next thing is to stage the character. It is very important, whenever you are animating, always stage your character to be in the center of the screen. Okay, your character needs to be in the center of the screen, very important. Okay, so this is the character we'll be using. As you can see, I've already designed this character for animation, so I won't be drawing any character in this video. There's a free app on my phone that allows me to easily design any character of my choice before using it for animation. So if you want to get the app and also gain access to this Rico character project file so you can follow along with the tutorial, I recommend you support me by joining my YouTube membership. Once you join my VIP YouTube membership, I'll give you all the Rico Cartoons app and all the Rico character images you'll be using for animations. Okay, and I also have a video where I teach how I created all my characters step by step. So when you join my YouTube membership, you will gain access to that member only videos so that you will learn how to create Rico characters and rig it. So if you love what I do on this channel, please support my YouTube channel by joining my membership. Okay, links will be in the description of this video. Alright, so let's continue making the video. So at this point, now click on that plus icon because you need to time your animation, because it's very important. Whenever you are animating, always do what? Always time your animation so that the thing will not be too fast or too slow. Okay, so we are animating each frame. We are going to change the pose slightly. Okay, that is the animation, the floating animation, because for you to achieve a floating animation is when your character will move gently in the air. So it will be moving gently. So this pose 2, now you see the only movement we are adding is just a very little movement on the leg and on the hand. So as you can see, the head are always the same, so we are only changing the movement of the hand and the movement of the leg very gently. Okay, so that is what we are going to be doing, and we are animating 1 frame per each seconds. We are animating 1 frame. So also the leg and the need to be on the same position. Okay, so you just need to drag this thing, just make it come down a little bit, so this thing will create a gentle movement. So we are also doing ease in and ease out. So this ease in and ease out is a principle that means that like we should not like start or stop suddenly. So this Rico character, now we are going to move it slowly, upward, then slowly downward. So this will create a smooth animation, realistic motion and professional movement. Okay, so we are still going to this pose 3 that we added. Now we will still do the same thing. First of all, you scale it up to match with the original character in order to have a consistent character in your project. Okay, so we are going to adjust this one to move up because we are doing ease in and ease out. So this one now will adjust it slightly Albino Animation teaches you how to animate, so please make sure you like this video and share this video so that I can continue creating more tutorials for you guys. And also guys, if you want to learn how to make animation move on your smartphone, I recommend you join my animation class where I teach my students how to animate and make animation move to your character with your phone or laptop. So it's available on my WhatsApp channel, so make sure you click the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and gain access to my animation class. So moving on now, we have already added pose 4, okay, because we are doing frame by frame on this phone. Then click on this three dot. I'm going to introduce you to something, okay. So there is this thing in FlipaClip, they call it frame viewers. So what is the work of frame viewers? Frame viewers let you control the length of your video. Do you want to have a long video or short video? You use frame viewers, okay. So I'm going to select these 4 poses that I added, okay. I will then copy the thing. I'll continue to paste it. I'll copy and paste as long as I want. So the more you copy and paste, the longer the video will last. Do you understand the animation trick? So I've already copied the thing, so I'm pasting it now. I can paste it to even any frame 80, frame 100, frame 70, depending on how you want it. When you finish, then you go back. So if you go back now, we are done, okay. Just click on this thing now to go back. Now let us preview our animation and see what we achieved so far. Guys, you see, it's very smooth. It's very smooth. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video, please subscribe to this channel, follow this page, and also very important, like this video, okay. Comment, because creating content like this is not easy. So I appreciate if you like this video and share it, because your subscription and your like will ginger me to produce a better Rico Animations tutorial. Please just press that like button, okay, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's keep learning and mastering how to animate. So throughout this video, we did pose to pose animation because we are using phone, but on laptop it will be bone rigging, okay. So now we are done. Let us export the video. So click on that 3 dot over there, then click on make movie in order for you to export this animation, okay. So you just name your project the way you want it based on the scene you are acting. Then you can see that my FlipaClip is a premium version. They are not showing watermark. You can add multiple layers. So if you want to get this FlipaClip premium app, comment on this video, I'm interested. I'll send the app to you, okay. Now click on make movie for you to export the video. As you can see, the video is already exporting, so just wait for it. Very soon now the exporting will finish. So it depends on the length of your video. The longer your video, the more time it will take for it to export, but just wait for it, okay. Now we are done exporting the video, so now we can now play the video and also share it on our social media platform. So let us play the video. And the good news is, any video you make, you can post it on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Guys, you see the animation. So guys, please subscribe to this channel. I'm ready to teach you more about animation. If you want to learn more about animation, how to create cartoon video like this, I recommend you join my animation class, okay. So check the description of this video. You will see my WhatsApp channel link there. So click the link and join my WhatsApp channel, and then contact me for my animation class, and you will gain a deeper teaching and secret about how to animate Rico characters. And if you want me to create animation videos and characters for your brand, I can create high quality animation video for you. If you need my services, use the link in the description of this video, join my WhatsApp channel, and then contact me so that you can bring your ideas to life in animation. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video and share this video, because I'm dropping new tutorials every week. And if you want to continue learning about Rico Animation, I have done over 50 Rico Animation tutorials on this channel. I put them in a playlist called Rico Animation Tutorials. So use the playlist link in the description of this video to continue watching and learning more about Rico Animations, okay. Alright, now I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.